Hello and welcome back to this class. Right now, obviously we've learned many things about the PHP and different type of operators. I was just thinking to teach you the conditional operators and the logical operators. But before learning the conditional operators, we have to learn the conditional statements as well. So right now, I am just going to teach you about the conditional statements. First of all, just know about the basic logic of conditional statements. For example, as you know that computer can do everything, but computer can't decide anything by itself. Obviously, a human must need to order the computer. For example, if you just want computer to download any file, you have to click anywhere, then computer will download. Obviously, computer speed is really fast and 1000% fast than a human, but the problem is that it has no brain. But the thing is that by using the conditional statements, we actually gives computer some ideas about what to do, about what not to do. For example, I'm just saying, go to the market. Okay, computer is following our orders. Still, remember that computers are following our orders. But for example, go to market, and then I'm just telling and buy some food or buy bananas. Perfect. But the thing is that, for example, computer goes to the market and didn't get the bananas just because bananas has not in the market. So what computer can do, or what computer should do? Obviously, a simple human will be returned back because he didn't find the thing. But we have to make some statements here, the conditions here. If you didn't, if you doesn't found the wait for a while, doesn't found the bananas, then what to do? Find some apples. Okay, this is the very basic thing of the conditional statements. Okay, this is a very little shape, but the other thing is, or I think I should say, yep, that is right, find some apples. Okay, but in programming we say if for the first condition, obviously the condition, and if the condition didn't make it true, then it should be else. Okay, in conditional statements. So how to do that? I'm just deleting these things, all the text, and here I'm just typing var1. Obviously we are just using var1 multiple times here, so I'm just using it again. var2 should be 7, not this sign, actually the 7 here. Yep, this is perfect. After that, just call if, and now put some conditions. How to put conditions? Just type the parentheses in here. Inside the parentheses we have to type the condition, and then what the result should be according to the condition. We have to use two curly braces, okay, or actually the pair of curly braces. So now here I'm just typing if variable var1, okay, is equals to var2. This is the perfect sign. I just want to say that if var1 is equals to var2, then this statement will run. But the problem is that this sign is not an equal sign here in programming languages. This is the assigning sign. If we just talk about the comparing operator specifically, or equal to operator, we have to use two equal signs. Okay, now right now I'm not assigning the value to the var1, the var2 value to the var1. Right now I'm just comparing both of them, or actually I'm just telling that if the var1 and var2 is equal to each other, then this curly braces should run, or any code which is inside the curly braces. So here I'm just typing echo. Okay, here I'm just typing var1 is, or I think the better thing is var1 and a dot sign period, and here is equal to the Okay, everything is fine right now. Here we're putting another point or the period and var2. That's perfect. Go to the browser and check it what we just made. Just refresh it, and now we're getting nothing. Why we're getting nothing? Just because the var2 and var1 is not equal to each other. So here I'm just typing 5, and right now the var1 is 5 and var2 is 5. It means this condition is true now. So the condition, if this condition is true, then this block will run. Go to the browser and refresh it now. 5 is equals to 5. Okay, perfectly. 5 is equals to 5. That means we just got the result. But what if they just little change with each other? Obviously we didn't get the result as we did before. For example, in this way, just refresh this back, and now we're just getting nothing. And obviously this is a simple operator, the equal operator. Okay, so now we will learn some more things about the conditions in the next classes, but obviously we're just learning about the operators. So next class we will learn about the conditional operators by using this simple statement. Okay guys, so let me leave. Stay tuned and goodbye.